have a little game of pig?
So, this is a Jack Dennison vice check. Got Nathan Williams frame right here. Had about a year, it's done real good. Used to have S&M slams, but swapped them for some United Grandes, Nathan Williams signature. 29, much nicer than my old ones. Tyres got Animal GLH on the back, Odyssey on the front, Odyssey Aiken plight. Then we got Demolition back wheel. Don't buy it, it's a shit. Proper back wheel. No, proper front wheel, sorry. Pretty sick. Held up for a long time. Got 4 pegs, they're all just salt. It's my profile stem. I flipped it upside down because the originals are like just a normal Oda stem. Grips are Griswold, fly cranks, and proper stem.
Proper stem?
No, proper sprocket. So
Let's see some riding.
So if you
Let's see a little demo.
want to grab some of my parts, got a dance car, BMX. I'm off to ride.
Swag!